score a win in set number 3, 25-19 after a lackluster performance in the first 2 sets. Of course, Ateneo being in control majority of this set, able to establish an early lead. Of course, the good attacks of Alisa Valdez really kept them in the game. You've got also the good play of Gervasio with her serves as well. And Ella Decius finishing off this third set for Ateneo. For the side of Adamson, well, they kind of lost focus. You've got only Pineda scoring. Pao Soriano started off really well but somehow tapered off as the set went on. And ito, makita natin ang numbers, 14 attack points for both of the teams. Ateneo having the edge in the blocking department, 4-1 service aces, 3-0. Kanina yan ang department ng Adamson, ngayon napunta na sa Lady Eagles. So reception woes going for Adamson, or dun sila nahirapan dito sa third set, and unforced errors were tied at 4. So a very crucial fourth set right now. Of course, still Ateneo needs to win this one if they want to extend it to a 5th and deciding set. Adamson, they lost that chance in the third. Who knows, they might get this one. Very, very close one right now. Tong Adamson, of course, they want to win as much games as they can, because we expect a very, very tight race for that final the fourth and the third spots in that final 4 format. So kailangan nila yung mga panalo na to. For Ateneo, of course, they want to hold on to that first spot, or regain that first spot that they had in the opening round.
Valdez too, she had it. She had a good look. The elevation was perfect, pero medyo nanggigil masyado, no?
Tumabit sa tape, but you're right, the form was there. Everything but the spike, sabi nga.
So 1-0 Adamson set 4 and an ace para kay Pineda.
The birthday girl. Tomorrow.
This was the kind of start Adamson had in set number 3, when it seemed like they were going to coast to a straight set win against Ateneo. Pero obviously Ateneo, quality team that they have, it's not going to go down as easily as that. And ayun na nga, Ateneo writing their play immediately with that Gervasio hit.
Well, that was the first time they went to that play for Z Gervasio, and it's because that was a good reception. Otherwise, if it wasn't that good of a reception, malamang hindi nila maserap yung ganung klaseng play.
Zapanta blocked by Tejada. Zapanta tries again. Ooh! 2 in a row by the Ateneo defenders at the net. Makes it 2-all in set 4.
Second time around, Zapanta. Again, the block of Z Gervasio, reading that attack very, very well.
Let's go to Selena Dagdag.
At the commencement of the fourth set, Coach Roger wants the Lady Eagles to be watchful of Soriano's cross-court hits, and he wants them to be smart about their positioning. He tells his team to sustain their defense and anticipate the ball. Dagdag pa nga ni Coach Roger, huwag kayong magtitigan. Kahit anong mangyari, ipaglaban nyo ang bola. At tulad ng sinasabi ko sa inyo araw-araw, tignan nyo ang kamay nila. Puro diagonal hits lang naman ang mga palo ng mga yan. Eric and Ian.
Thanks, Selena. Well, Ateneo did a pretty good job in set number 3, reading the offense of Adamson. You can pretty much say itong offensa ng Lady Falcons was stymied. And Valdez doing an excellent job on both aspects of the game. Offensively, she is obviously one of the best, if not the best. And defensively, she contributes a lot at the net with that block recently in the last play. Zapanta over the blockers. Valdez. Nice dig by Listana. They go back to Valdez. And the push. She has confused itong offensa or defensa ng Adamson, varying it from a strong hit to a soft push, finding the hole in the middle as everybody backed away, expecting another powerful spike. Zapanta is blocked. Cortel is rejected. Soriano turned back. Makatuno back to Zapanta. Here's Gervasio. Blocked by Soriano. And that's 4 touches. That did not actually cross the net. Tingnan muna natin. I don't know. It seemed like it did bounce off the tape pero tumama sa kamay ni Soriano and then went back. But nevertheless, the point given to Adamson. A block on Valdez. Adamson 2 straight points. And they are within 1. 4-5.
Good block by Portel.
Valdez. Poor reception that time by Gervasio. Valdez. Lumihis sa blockers. Just amazing angles being found by Valdez on the fly. That wasn't a perfect set for her. She had to readjust on the approach.
Yes, you're right,
Pero
Eric.
still, ano?
Hindi perfect yung approach niya. Actually has vertical jump lang, but still the angle that she got that ball crossing the net was really, really good.
Soriano has been off the mark sa panimula itong set number 4, which does not bode well if you are Adamson, because tulad nga nabanggit ni Doc Ian, ano? Go-to lady to, yung Adamson. You really want her to be in form, especially against the second best team right now in the league. Oh, that was way off.
Nagigil siya, sinasabi niya. Parang nasarapan siya masyado dun sa serve.
Palo.
Oh. Lalaksan ko to. Ayun, nasobrahan tuloy.
Valdez. That's how she likes it. The percentage of the Valdez hits are just remarkable in this entire match. Ateneo up by 3, 8-5 against Adamson in set number 4.